Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark on your photos in Samsung Galaxy M34. So in the first step, open the camera app, then tap on the settings icon and tap on the watermark. Now as you can see, we have a few options to edit. Remember that we have your preview, and now if you want to add your custom text, click on the edit and now enter the text by the keyboard. Tap on the save to save it, of course. You can also add the date and time, change the font and the position of the watermark. So adjust the settings to this, go back to the camera and take your photo. Now the photo with customized watermark should appear. The customized watermark on the photo should appear in the right bottom corner in my case. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment and goodbye.